So the next set of tools I will be talking about are kind of like the extra tools. There's no specific name for them. They're in a category of their own. So each tool does something different. We're going to start out with the tape measure tool. So let's say we want to measure the distance, or let's say how long this roof line is from one point to another. So click on one point with the tape measure tool and click on the other point. And where do you find the measurement? Down here on the right hand corner of your screen where it says length, we can now see the length of the roof is 7 feet 10 and an eighth inches long. So the next tool we're going to talk about is this tool right here, which is known as the text tool. So the text tool, it's not really meant for putting text on the side of something like you would in like Microsoft Word or something like that. It's kind of meant for like labeling an object. So let's say, for example, we want to label this door. You click on one point, pull away from it, and right over here we can type in like a measurement, or let's say, for example, we want to label it door. And once we click out of it, right there we have 1 liter, which is known as this line, goes from the door, the word door, to the door itself. So the next object I want to talk about, or the next tool I want to talk about, is this tool right here. This is one you will probably use the most, alongside with all these other drawing tools and manipulation tools, but using the most out of all the extras. So this is known as the paint bucket tool. So click on the paint bucket tool. Now before you use it, you have to figure out which material type that you would like to use. So over here on the right hand side, let's say, for example, we want to put bricks, or like a brick material, on the side of our house here. So go over to our materials list, go down until you find bricks or asphalt or concrete. Right here we have brick, cladding, siding, so click on that. And let's say we want to go with an antique brick. Click on that as your material. Then all you have to do is click on the side of your object, and it will turn into whatever material, color, or preference that you have.